Good morning. It is Thursday, October 1st. I am so excited. The day has finally arrived. We are headed to our raft adventure today, finally. I am on my way to Marshall's house. Last night we loaded the raft up on the trailer. We loaded all of our gear and provisions into Kathy's car, and it's a little bit before 7 right now, and I'm going to meet them. We're going to load it. We're going to head over to the Rosewood Landing. We're going to assemble the raft at the landing and load it up with all of our gear and shove off and get going on our adventure. I've been to the grocery store this morning. I've bought a bunch of our perishable items, some of the food. Wanted to wait till the very last minute to buy those. We're going to put them in this cooler. We've got this fantastic K2 cooler available at k2coolers.com. We anticipate this trip's going to take us about 3 days. Our goal is to get about 15 miles a day. And we've got there's a fish camp about 18 miles down the river. That's kind of our stretch goal for today. We're going to push a little bit to try to get to there. That's our place to camp. We've also, Hugh Bike has offered up Bike's Bluff. There's a cabin there. That is our day 2 goal. Today is beautiful. The weather forecast is for days in the mid 70s and nights in the mid 50s, which is perfect sleeping weather for camping. So headed over there now, and I am very much looking forward to it, and glad you're here, and appreciate you being here to follow along. Oh, and while you're here, I'll go ahead and say the best thing that you can do to support this channel is to subscribe. There's a button down at the bottom that says the thumbs up for the like. Leave me a comment. But subscribing to the channel and ringing and hitting that little bell notification if you like what you see, then you'll be the first one to get notified when we post new stuff. So y'all have a great weekend. I know I'm gonna.
Learned it hard and learned it. Well, when it's all said and done, the long nights have taken their toll. Oh my God, I want to find my place in the sun and sit right there till I'm old. Hey brother, don't let them take you for a ride. Well, I've been holding out for so long, I believe something inside me must have died. And I tried clinging to an idea that I never did quite comprehend. They told me that peace, love, and joy ain't for real, it's only pretend. Every now and then, I almost sold my dream.
Well, day 1 on the river.
Coming to a close.
Who do you know that's capable of that? Getting in their boat, coming down the river, solo or with a friend.
Could have been Rollins.
See how the boat?
Yeah, he said he was going to come. Could have been Calhoun.
Yeah.
I would have probably put my money on Calhoun. What you see? Fish?
No, it's like some cooing.
That's an owl.
Turkey.
Owl. That is a barred, B-A-R-R-E-D, barred owl. Their cry is, who cooks for you? Who cooks for you? Who cooks for you? Who cooks for you?
That's pretty good trivia.
retort.
We snag free behind me. I get nervous not being able to see.
Yeah, they're looking good. You see what the governor of Florida said?
Mm-mm.
Everything's open. Nothing's closed. People use their own judgment.
That's pretty rational. That's like, guys, come on, y'all are smart.
Right.
Do what you feel is appropriate. You don't need the government to tell you
It's the
whether to
nanny
wear a
state.
mask.
Right.
Brother, hey sister,